Aloha, this is Raylene with Roots Restored Wellness. Welcome to the Heart Walls and Trapped Emotions session. This is not the actual session, but an informational video to help guide you through what I might be working on in the session for you. First off, group sessions involve me working on more than one person at a time, although the session is completely private and I do all the work. Simply sign up and let me do the rest. I email you detailed notes when I finish. I always encourage my clients to take that extra time savings and use it for self-care to support your healing journey. If you're busy and need to get caught up on other things, that's fine too. So what are heart walls? They are energetic barriers that we build around our hearts to protect ourselves. This is a defense mechanism, but what it does is it actually prevents us from being able to give and receive love and other things, including abundance in our lives, because the more that we are open to receive, the more that can flow into us. And if we're not able to give, then we're not able to complete that loop of healing and giving and receiving. Typically, I find that heart walls are built of trapped emotions, and we can get those anyway. We can absorb them, we can inherit them, we can get emotionally attached and entangled in other people's business and get all of those stuck within us. A lot of heart walls also include traumas, inherited imbalances. They may even include toxins, and even despair anchors or false core beliefs that are sayings that you've trapped about yourself, but they're not true. Maybe a common one that I find is I'm unworthy to receive. I don't deserve this. I can't open myself. It's not safe. In this sacred container that I build for us to work on releasing these, I make it very safe and comforting for you to feel comfortable letting go and surrendering all that is no longer serving you. I only work on the level that you're willing to open for me to work. I never push too far. This is a co-created healing container that we are working through together. And so I'm honored to join you on your healing journey. What can we expect when our heart walls and trapped emotions have been cleared? They may not all be cleared, but we clear as many as your body is willing to release in the session. And you can always level it up and make it a 3 or a 4-day session instead of a 1-day session. That means that I work on the session for 4 consecutive days. And often our bodies will tap out on what they're willing to let us work on or release. And so this way we can work much deeper. As we heal, we may notice that similar layers surface over time, and that is common because I see healing like a spiral. As we spiral up, our container gets more and more narrow. And so we may come across this trigger or this trauma multiple times in our healing journey, but essentially each time we're going deeper and deeper and deeper until we can fully let it go. I find most clients on average release approximately 40 heart walls in the session, often more, and about 30 inherited heart walls. I'm certified in body and emotion code, and in that training, we are told that it will take 6 to 8 sessions on average to release 1 heart wall. Not with quantum healing. I don't put limits on what is possible, and I don't put limits on you. So we work together for the max capacity and healing experience for both of us in this session. So let's go back to what you might expect from this session. What could be potential results? Again, don't put yourself in a box. These are just common reports that I hear from clients. They report feeling lighter, less triggered by people or situations that used to trigger them, more level with their emotions and their flow, in a place or position that feels more open to receive or connect with love. The capacity to give and receive often expands. Well, it always does, but whether you notice it or not depends on how perceptive you are. And a lot also report feeling a lot more peace in that inner core part of their being. For me, the heart is my power center. I do all of my healing and my work from my heart. And so if that is covered in all of these walls and barriers and blocks, it would be very hard for me to be able to connect with clients, connect with my loved ones on the deep level that I want to. So I am so excited to connect with you for this beautiful, powerful session. It used to be 2 different sessions, so enjoy the time and cost savings on doing 1 session instead of 2. And I look forward to connecting with you. Thank you so much for trusting me to support you on your healing journey.